Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how we can group elements or objects in your presentations on Miro.com. So let us dive into this. All right, guys, so navigate to your board or your presentation. And basically, guys, what you need to do is simply select the given elements first to group them afterwards so that you may, for example, treat them as one element or object. So to do that, left click into the first object. Let me go to that logo or image here. Press and hold left shift on your keyboard and select the second object. So let me go with, for example, that line here, left click into it. And after that, also let me go for the third object, press and hold left shift and left click into the given object like that coding box here. So now I can move all of them. Let me just zoom out a bit. Now I can move all of them at once, apply edits and changes. So if you'd like to group them, guys, what you will need to do is click into that option here at the top, group objects. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-G. And there you go. Now it is it is technically one element, as you can see. So if I left click into one of these items, all three of them will be moved so that I may apply changes to all of them, rotate them, resize them, and so on and so forth, guys. So if you'd like to ungroup them, select the given group and click into this button, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-G or Command-Shift-G if you're using a Mac. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.